started on a bird search. That creepy bird, I think it's flying. The mother.
I am going also.
I'm gonna pursue that for emergency. And there's a nest upstairs that you can see.
There are baby birds up there. The mother and the father bird are around us somewhere.
Oh my god. Let's go get if you climb this bar up here, you can see it better.
They are over there.
Man is throwing it at those birds.
Oh my
And
god.
I'm flattening them. So, guys, let me handle this. Oh, I'm trying to flat the chips. I think I actually know what.
Yes, they are. So y'all
Watch
piece
it.
of chicken.
Hey, I flattened that chip. Whenever I get it. I'm so weak. I'm so weak. It fell down. Did you see it? Can you see it? Guys, can you see it? I don't know if you can see it, but it's right up there. You throw it at them. Guys, stop throwing. Yeah, cookie, give it. Okay. Nice to meet you.
So the baby birds are up there.
Oh,
There.
let's go down.
He's using his Minecraft. I don't know why.
Let me see. I am gonna throw a wood chip at it.
There we go. Brianna gonna throw a wood chip at the baby bird. And where is Brianna going? Brianna Racinos. There's Bailey. Okay, we will go on commercial break. Go. 1 minute till showtime.
We are on our commercial. I'm Dave. Dave, yes I am. I'm the Minecraft creeper. Can't you see me? One more minute. I do the bird show starts. I really hate birds, but the stranger just stole me. 1 more minute. That's it, I think. Bye. This is our commercial. Bye. Not funny, baby. This is our commercial. Hey. I'll be mashed potatoes. And it'll be a beautiful chocolate doors. Yeah. Give me that, Bailey. Get it! No, take the brothers.
Oh my goodness, what you doing?
Shh.
What's this little bird doing? He's gonna throw one. Oh. Oh.
But this is my car. Now let's go to okay, I need to cook. And now let's go this way. Hey, let it go to yeah.
Yes.
Yes, I can do it. Give me it. No. Hurry up. This is our commercial guy. Don't hurry up. I'll do it.
Make sure it goes inside.
Oh my god. I almost died.
Oh my what? You guys have to make sure you guys throw it inside. Go, Brianna.
Okay, shush! We started the video. Okay? Hey, we're going on a bird hunt. Okay? So this deranged woman such a virus that Emma Jones. He's gonna try to do this like this crazy. Ow!
Oh my goodness.
Crazy man.
Oh, wait, we have to go. Wait, stop, time out. I'm scared. Time out.
Anastasia!
Wait.
She knows what to do. Ladies, this is a closed set. This is a closed. We have to go through to get our dessert. No, you can't. You did!
Get it! Get the footage! Let it go!
No!
They got stuck there. Where are the baby birds? Are they dead or something? What are you doing? What's this kid doing? Oh my god. I am not dead. Commercial break starting now. 2 minutes, please. Thank you.
So, guys, I got stuck here. I'm not sure how to get down here. I think I see little baby birds or they're dead. I don't know if they're sleeping or dead. I can't tell. I can see like little red things coming out, I think. Bye. This is creepy commercial channel 1 minute. Bye. Oh, what the? You're using my scooter? That's brand new.
Huh?
It's brand new. Back away. I need to get down.
My scooter, my skateboard.
Okay, commercial please.
Wait, here you go.
Now watch me flip. Watch me flip. Okay, watch me flip. We're talking about bloody fingers now.